We said earlier that we can move or change improper fraction into a mixed fraction, so as we can also change a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So let's go ahead to show us how this can be done. First example we are going to look in here is 1 whole number 3/4. So how do we express this as an improper fraction? So to express this, we have 1 whole number plus 3/4. This will then give us 1. So for we to have 1 at this side, it does mean that 4/4 given us that number. So which means 4/4, which represents 1 here, give us 1. So we have 3/4. We then have our denominator to be alike. So now have 4 plus, then give us 7/4. So which give us the final answer to that. Another example we are going to look in this lesson is 7 whole number 1/2. As the same to the previous example, we have 7 plus 1/2. This can also be written as 7/1 plus 1/2, which give us 7 multiplied by 2/1 multiplied by 2 plus 1/2. This then give us 7 multiplied by 2 will give us 14 over 1 multiplied by 2 will give us 2, then plus 1/2. We have 14 plus 1. Our denominator gives us 2. So we have 14 plus 1, which gives us 15/2 to be our final answer in an improper manner of a fraction. So another example on the list here is where we have 2 whole number 13/100. How do we express this as an improper fraction? As usual, using this previous method, we have 2 whole number plus 13/100, which is equals to 2/1 plus 13/100, which then give us 2 multiplied by 100/1 multiplied by 100 plus 13/100. This then give us 2 multiplied by 100, we have 200. over 1 multiplied by 100, we have 100. So plus 13 over 100. I haven't gotten the denominator to be the same, so we have our denominator repeated here, then 200 plus 13. This then give us 200 plus 13, we have 213 over 100, which gives us the final answer to the mixed fraction. So here is where we are going to stop for this lesson. As I said earlier, we are going to continue to show us how we can divide, how we can convert fraction to percentage, how we can add, how we can multiply. So this is going to be a series of lessons, so please stay tuned in order to get the best of this lesson. So if you are the one that is struggling on how to understand this kind of topic, which is fraction, so please stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, make sure you turn on all notifications so that whenever I post any video, YouTube will notify you that my channel has updated another video. So please like this video, share this video to your friends, your loved ones who are interested to know about this.